Do you sell your own product and need to create barcodes? Or do you want to print out your own shipping labels, or even monochrome pictures? Well, we did, so we bought this cool label maker from PHOMEMO. The label maker comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. It comes with instructions, a USB-C charging cable, and of course, your label maker. If you push down the button on the side, you can open up the top and find a roll of 40 by 30 millimeter labels. It has 100 stickers and gives you plenty to work with. Open up the end of your label roll and stick the end out of the label maker. Then shut down the lid. Your labels are now locked and loaded. Push and hold the power button on the label maker to power it on. Then it will give you a first-time pair code. Pair the code with the app on your phone, and now you're ready to go. First, make sure your dimensions are correct, and click Complete. Then it takes you to a little label editor with a ton of customizable options. You can change the size, the font, the shape, add borders or icons, you can create barcodes and QR codes, and so much more. It even gave us the option to insert pictures from our phone, and you better believe we tried it. Those scaled down monochrome photos remind me of those old photo booths in the mall. It gives a retro feel and is fun for sure. We printed off a few more photos, and I've got to admit, I was surprised at how quickly it printed out the full graphic labels. So now it's time to use it for its intended purpose, labels. We're currently in the process of organizing our clothes, so this label maker is going to make our lives so much easier. Now, I will always know where my socks are and never lose them again. So while our kitten made herself comfy in the label maker box, I went to test out the label editor some more. The amount of control over the font is insane. So many different styles, and you can even customize it to how you see fit. As we continue to organize, we're going to use our labels more and more, but for now, we wanted to try something else. So we put in a bigger roll of labels and used them to print out even bigger monochrome pictures. This is a thermal printer, which means there's no ink. A laser is used to burn an image on the heat-reactive label paper. This also means it cannot print in color, but we don't mind, because we're able to print out silly retro photos as long as we have labels and battery in our device. The label maker has a 2200 mAh battery, and it gives a pretty long charge, so there's no stopping our picture printing now. On the bigger sheets, it doesn't look half bad either. So if you run a business and need to print out some unique and fun labels with barcodes, QR codes, and customized font, this might just be for you. And if you want to print out some fun retro picture sticker labels, this might just be for you too. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm going to go print off some more labels and do some more organizing. See ya!